right, so a little false threat. Let you come in, pet him a little bit, take off and run, come back in a little bit.
Yeah, let me praise him while he's barking at you.
Okay.
Give him the reward by you leaving, and then we'll come in one more time, then come in again. Let me praise him up, give him a grip and slip it.
Okay.
After you take your watch off and put it in your pocket.
I thought about it and then just totally forgot.
Hey,
So,
let,
take your watch out.
let's. I'm using the check commands. You don't know the check commands.
I heard you telling him plots from the garage, and I was like,
Well, that's what Butch used, wasn't it?
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, he didn't. I bet he didn't have a plot when Butch had him, did he?
Well, he knew plots.
Yeah,
more out
but
of like,
but he had to scream at him and beat him down. I'll bet you anything, knowing how he does. I finally got him to plots and wait for me to give him his food. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Are you ready?
Yeah. What do you